In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off in-app purchases on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then tap at screen time. If the screen time feature toggled off, first of all you need to activate it, and after that you will be taken to the screen that looks like this. Once you are here, hit add content and privacy restrictions, then iTunes and App Store purchases. And that's where you can easily find in-app purchases. You can just get into it. By default it is set to allow, but you can select do not allow. After that, if you want to block any changes in screen time settings, you may go back out of here to the screen time, then scroll down for a bit and then hit at use screen time passcode. You can just tap on it and then set a screen time passcode to not allow any users to be able to get into those settings and then change them. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.